Namaste, good evening. Let us start by sitting in Sukhasana, back straight, hands in Namaskara Mudra. Gently close your eyes. Observe your breathing. Take a deep inhale. Slow exhale. Once more, breathe in, breathe out. One last time, inhale, long exhale. Start with one Om chant. Inhale, योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचा मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपाकरोतं प्रवरं मुनीनां पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिरानतोऽस्मि. Chin Mudra. Keep your eyes closed. Observe your breathing. Keep straightening the back with each inhale. Slowly inhale, and as you exhale, open your eyes. We start by sitting on the floor, legs extended in front. Support yourself with the fingertips on the side, and you're going to tighten the kneecap on the right leg, keep the back straight, and just lift and lower. Okay, 10 counts. Back straight. You can take support from the hands. Tighten the right leg, tighten the kneecap, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax the right leg, tighten the left leg, tighten the kneecap, lift and lower left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax the left leg. Now taking the right leg again, lift, take it to the side, bring it back and down. Okay, again 8 counts. Tighten the right leg, tighten the kneecap, start. Lift, side, back and down. 2, side, back and down. 3, side, back and down. 4, side, back and down. 5, side, back and down. 6, side, back and down. 7, side, back and down. 8, side, back and down. Relax the right leg, tighten the left leg, kneecap tight, fully engaged, the thigh must be really tight. Lift, side, up and down. 2, side, up and down. 3, side, up, down. 4, side, up, down. 5, side, up, down. 6, side, up, down. 7, side, up, down. 8, side, up, down. Point and flex. Relax both the feet. Now hug your right knee in wherever you are, as close to you as possible. Bring the heel to the buttock, back straight, and from here you're going to just slide the knee out and bring it back in. 10 counts. 1 and back. 2 and back. 3, pull it in close. 4, keep your back straight. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stretch out the right leg. Relax. Now bend the left knee. Pull it in as close to you as possible. Back straight, and you're going to slide the heel out and bring it back in. 1, back. 2, back. 3, back. 4, back. 5, back. 6, back. 7, back. 8, back. 9, back. 10, and release. Straighten out both the legs. Now make clockwise circles with both the feet and anti-clockwise circles again with both the feet. Now take your right leg to the side, left leg in front, 90-degree angle. You're going to twist to the right side. Inhale, both hands up. On the exhale, turn behind the right leg, drop your forehead to the ground. 1, inhale. 2, inhale. 3, inhale. 4, inhale. 5, inhale. Last one, take it back and hold it there. Press the forehead to the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come up. Bring the right leg back to center and take the left leg out to the other side. Legs in 90 degrees. Twisting over the left leg this time. Straighten your back. Stretch the body up. Inhale. Exhale to the left side, down. Again. 2. Exhale. 3. Exhale. 4. Exhale. 5. Exhale. Last one. Hold it there. Inhale. Exhale. Twist as much as possible. Hold. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly release. Now take both the legs to the side. Sitting here, hands out. You're going to twist right hand to left foot, left hand to right foot. Inhale. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. You're going to lie down there on your mat. Take the hands behind your head. Stretch both the hands out, palms facing each other. Bring your heels in slightly close to you, knees and feet parallel. You're going to inhale, tighten the buttocks, push the hip up as much as possible. Exhale, bring it down. 10 times. Ready? Start. 1, down. 2, down. 3, down. 4, down. 5, press the feet nicely, tighten the buttocks, push the hips up fully, push the chest to the chin, and down. 6, and down. 7, and down. 8, and down, 9 and down, 10 and down. Relax. Same position now. Inhale, take your back up, take your elbows under you, support your back with your hands, push the hips up, tighten the buttocks and stay there. Keep breathing, support your back nicely, press the left foot nicely and inhale, lift up the right leg. Hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly exhale, push the buttocks up nicely, keep the buttocks up and inhale, left leg up, hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly release and remove the hands, hips down, stay for a minute over there, relax the back, stretch the legs out wide, relax the hips, relax the legs and let us take the belt and continue. We'll do Surya Namaskar after this round. Lie down on your mat. Make a little bigger loop with the belt. You're going to lie down, stretch both the legs out. Inhale, take the right leg in, take the belt around the right foot. And from here, you will hold it on either side, straighten the right arm and the left arm. Straighten the right leg, engage the kneecap, keep your chin down. Turn the toes in, relax your back and shoulders. Keep tightening the right leg and the left leg. Hold it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold both the parts of the belt together with the right hand, left hand by your side. Inhale, drop the right leg to the side, right side. Pull the leg towards your shoulder, straighten the right arm and the right leg, hold it there. Keep tightening the kneecap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, bring it back center. Hold the same leg with the left hand. Take it across the body. Turn your head slightly to the right side. Right hand out. Pull the left leg towards your left shoulder. Straighten the arm and leg. Hold it again. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly inhale back to center and drop the right leg. Just take a moment, feel the difference between the right hip, right leg, left leg. Now inhale, take the left leg up, take the belt around the left foot, straighten the left leg, hold the belt on both the sides with both the hands, straighten the right leg, back down, chin down, turn the toes in nicely, relax your back and shoulders, tighten the kneecap, hold it there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold it with the left hand only. Drop it to the left side. Inhale. Keep the arm and leg straight. Left arm, left leg. Pull it towards your shoulder. Keep straightening the right leg and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale back to center. Hold it with the right hand again. Arm is straight, left hand to the side. Drop it across the body, straighten the arm and the leg. Pull it towards your shoulder and hold it there. Keep straightening the right leg. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, come back center and release the left leg. Just stay for a few seconds. Feel both the legs, both the hips. Now take the belt, make the loop as big as possible, pulling it right to the end. And you're going to bend both the knees in, take it around both the feet, push the legs as wide as you can, looping with the belt like this. Turn the toes in, heels out, hands by your side. Tighten the kneecaps, keep tightening the legs. There should be no slack in the belt. The belt should be fully tight. Push against the belt, feel your inner thighs, feel the outer thighs, tighten the kneecap fully straight. Hold it there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pull the legs in towards you. Try to hold the big toe. Pull the legs apart. Bend your elbows as you're holding the big toe. Legs are closer to your face. And last 10, 9, 8, 7. Keep tightening against the belt so that your muscles on the inner side of the thigh are nicely stretched. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly bring the legs back together, legs down, turn around to the right side. Shashankasana. Stay in Shashankasana. All the way back, stretch the hands out, forehead down. Keep breathing. Inhale forward to Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. You can keep the knees down. Lift up the chest. Extend the spine. Press the hips down. Press the hands. Straighten the arms. Feel your back. Now tuck your toes in. Lift the knees up and push back fully to Adho Mukha. Feet closer. Heels press down. Straighten the back. Straighten the legs and hands, push the hips back and up. And slowly walk your hands back towards you. Uttanasana. And inhale, come up. Exhale, release. Take 3-4 breaths, Mukha Dhoti. We'll start Surya Namaskara. Legs should be nicely warmed up by now. 3-4 breaths. Front of the mat. Feet together. Hands in Namaskara Mudra. Shoulders back, chest open. Eyes gently closed. Tighten your legs, buttocks in. One deep inhale. Slowly exhale. Hiranmayena patrena satyasyapi hitam mukham tattvam pushannavaranu satyadharmaya drishtaye. Om Mitraya Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right leg forward, 8, 9, Bhairavaye Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Om Suryaya Namaha. Inhale, exhale, inhale, right leg back, exhale to Dvipada, Ashtanga, hold your breath 2 seconds, Urdhva Mukha, push the hips forward, chest up, Adho Mukha, heels down, keep pushing the knees and thighs backward, chest in, Ekapada, right leg forward, Uttanasana, head down completely, try to press the palms, back of the palms, inhale back to center. Om Bhanave Namaha. Inhale, exhale, press the feet nicely together, thighs together, head down completely. Try to shift your weight slightly forward. Inhale, left leg all the way back. Exhale, Dvipada, tighten the legs, roll the thighs inwards, press the thighs together, tuck your buttocks in, look in front, body in a straight line. Ashtanga Namaskara, stomach off the ground, pull your knees closer to the chest, hold your breath for 2 seconds. Inhale, slide forward and chest up, opening up. Tuck your toes in and tighten the legs. Exhale, push back in one exhale. Heels down, legs straight, body in a V shape. Inhale, left leg forward. Exhale, Uttanasana, head down completely. Namaskara Sthiti. Om Khagaya Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Om Pushne Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. 1, 2, 3, Ekapada. 4, Dvipada. Now hold with Dvipada for 5 breaths. Tighten the body, tighten the legs. Keep looking in front. Tuck your buttocks in. Ankles are touching each other. Inhale and exhale to Ashtanga Namaskara. Pull your knees in, chest on the ground, stomach off the ground. Urdhva Mukha, pull forward, chest up, tighten the legs, pushing the hips towards the wrist. If you can, look up at the ceiling. Exhale, push back to Adho Mukha, heels down once again, legs completely engaged, hips moving back and up. Inhale, Ekapada Prasanasana, push your hips forward, chest up. Exhale, Uttanasana, head down, tighten the legs, push the hips up towards the ceiling. And Namaskara Sthiti. Take a moment here, inhale, slowly exhale, breathing back to normal. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Om Marichaye Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Om Adityaya Namaha. Tighten the legs, push the hips forward. Both hands up, stay here for a little while, keep stretching the arms out, pushing the hips forward, lift through the abdomen and the chest and the neck region, arching the spine backwards, looking up at the ceiling, keep pulling your fingertips back, tighten the legs and lifting the chest up. Inhale. And on the exhale, reaching all the way forward, bend down, head down, Uttanasana. Right leg back, Ekapada, Dvipada, Ashtanga Namaskara, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha, Ekapada, right leg forward, Uttanasana, Namaskara Sthiti. Om Savitre Namaha. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last 4 rounds. Om Savitre Namaha. 1, 2, left leg back, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold it here in 7, keep straightening the legs, pushing the head towards the mat. We'll inhale, press the left heel, take the right leg straight up and hold it there. Keep straightening both the legs, push the chest in, keep breathing. And right leg down, press the right heel, inhale, take the left leg straight up, push the chest in, arms are strong, straighten both the legs, keep breathing, hold it there. And left leg down. Once more, inhale to Urdhva Mukha, exhale to Adho Mukha. Inhale, left leg forward, Ekapada. Uttanasana. Namaskar Sthiti. Om Arkhaya Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold your breath here. Now you can breathe and pull the knees closer to you. Stay right there. Lift your head up, press your chin down and stretch your hands in front of you. Hold it there. Feel your spine, feel the back. Keep pushing the hips up to the ceiling. Keep breathing. And slowly bring your hands back and Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Right leg forward. Left leg forward. Uttanasana. Namaskar Sthiti. Om Bhaskaraya Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Last one. Inhale, slow exhale. Om Shri Savitra Surya Narayanaya Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stay right there. Feet together, body in a straight line. Take 2-3 breaths. Inhale and exhale. Relax the breath. And from here, Tadasana. Tighten the whole body. Just gaze up at your hands. Hands straight up. Don't bend backwards. Utkatasana. Press the thighs together. Now bring your hands in front, arms parallel. Lift your chest up. Sit back. Hold it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale and on the exhale, Uttanasana. Chaturanga Dandasana. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Uttanasana, Utkatasana, Tadasana. Utkatasana, Uttanasana, Chaturanga Dandasana, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha, Uttanasana, Utkatasana, Tadasana. Utkatasana, Uttanasana. Now hold the Uttanasana. Tighten your legs. Now bend your knees. Take your hands behind the ankles, elbows behind the knees. Drop your head down, resting your chest on your thigh. Inhale, look in front. Flatten the back. Knees are bent. Exhale, bring your head closer to your knees. Straighten the legs. Keep holding your ankles from the back. Pull your head towards your shin. Keep breathing. Pull your stomach in. Stay there. And release the hands. Chaturanga Dandasana. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Uttanasana. 2 more rounds. Utkatasana, Tadasana, Utkatasana, Uttanasana, Chaturanga Dandasana, Urdhvamukha, Adhomukha, Uttanasana, Utkatasana, Tadasana, last round, Utkatasana, sit back nicely, press the knees and thighs together, Uttanasana, Chaturanga Dandasana, Urdhvamukha, Adhomukha, Uttanasana, stay in Uttanasana now, relax the upper body, shift your feet slightly away from each other, you can bend your knees slightly, keep the upper body loose, hands loose, relax the head and neck, take 2-3 slow breaths over there, keep breathing, and slowly come up, inhale, and exhale, release. 2-3 breaths, Mukha Dhoti. Deep inhale, breathe out from your mouth, bending forward, slowly exhale. Let us take the belt one more time. You go near the wall, stand near the wall, take the belt around the right foot, hold it close to the foot, and take the right leg up, straight up on the wall, as high as you can. Stretch the right hand out, push the right hip back, straighten the left hip, straighten your back, left hand by the thigh, hold it there. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly bend the right leg, release. Take the left belt around the left foot, lift up your left leg, take it as high as you can on the wall, both hips facing the wall, right hand by the thigh, straighten the left leg completely, straighten the right leg, tuck your buttocks in, back straight, look at your left toes, press the foot nicely on the wall, and hold it there. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pick the Pada Angushtasana. Now we'll take the belt again, back round the right foot. Take it sideways, you're facing the wall sideways. Your left foot is parallel to the wall. Inhale, lift up the right leg, hold it with the right hand. Take the right leg on the wall. Your hips must be facing the side. Stretch the right leg as high as you can. Hold it as close to the foot, straighten the arm. Turn the left hip back. Pull the right hip forward, back straight. Head up, look in front. Keep breathing and hold it there. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release. Again, take the belt round your left foot. Turn to the other side. Take the left foot on the wall, right foot parallel to the wall, left leg up as high as you can. Hold as near the foot as possible. Turn the hip sideways, right hip back, left hip forward, right shoulder back, left shoulder forward. Press the left foot nicely, back straight. Keep your head and chin parallel to the ground. Keep tightening the right leg. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 5. Engage both the legs nicely. 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly release. You can fold the belt, keep it away. Stand at the back of your mat and come to Adho Mukha Svanasana. We'll inhale, take the right leg straight up. On the exhale, bring the right foot just behind the right hand. Just behind the right hand. Now step the right hand little bit forward. Left hand on the hip, Ardha Chandrasana. Coming up. Take the left leg straight up. Turn your body to the left side. Head back. Tighten both the legs. Keep the left hand on the hip. Get your balance. When you can, take the left hand up to the ceiling and hold it there. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, stay there. Bring your left hand down. Turn the hips to face the mat. And then slowly take the right hand on the hip. Turn your chest to the right side. That's all. You don't have to lift up the right hand. Keep the left leg straight back. Hold for another 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly bend your knee, left leg back. Come on up and step the right leg back. Parivritta Ardha Chandrasana. Once more, go back to down dog. Go back to Adho Mukha. Push the hips back. Inhale, left leg all the way up. Exhale, pull the left foot forward behind the left hand, right here. Left hand slightly forward. Right hand on the hip and lift up the right leg. Turn your body to the right side. Slowly straighten both the legs. When you're balanced, when both the legs are fully engaged, head back, take your right hand straight up. Hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and from there slowly take the right hand down. Face the mat, both hips face the mat, keep the right leg straight behind you. Take the left hand on the left hip, just twist your body to the side completely. Parivritta Ardha Chandrasana. Keep both the legs straight, keep looking to the left side. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly, leg down. Inhale, come up and exhale, step the left leg back. Now stand, both feet parallel to each other. Inhale, take one leg distance, Parshvottanasana. Step the right leg forward, both hips facing front. Inhale, stretch both the hands up. On the exhale, take the hands behind your back, interlock the hands and slowly tightening the legs, bend the head down and hold it. Keep your balance. You have to not bend the front leg, hold it there. Stay, keep breathing. Keep breathing, keep tightening both the legs. Very important to straighten the legs. Head down as much as possible. And slowly inhale, come up, exhale, right leg back. Other side, step the left leg one leg distance, tighten both the legs, both hips facing forward. Inhale, both hands up. On the exhale, stretch the hands behind your back, interlock the fingers, stretch the arms away from the body. And as you exhale, tightening the legs, slowly bend forward, drop your head, keep your balance, keep pushing the arms over the head, keep straightening the front leg, very important, press the back heel, bring your head down as much as possible, keep your balance, hold, keep breathing. And slowly inhale, come up, exhale, left leg back. Once more, take the right leg in front, you come to Kapotasana, bend the right knee, left hip on the, you can keep a blanket under you, keep the left hip on the blanket, right leg in front, hands beside your hips or knees. First straighten the back, straighten the left leg nicely, turn the left hip towards the ground. Inhale, lift your chest up. On the exhale, elbows in front of you, head down and stay there. Keep pushing the head forward and left hip down. Keep breathing and stay there. And slowly inhale, come up. Exhale, get the left leg in front, take the right leg behind you, staying right there. Just turn the legs around. Turn the right hip towards the mat, stretch the right leg behind you, keep breathing as you stay there. Inhale, lift your chest up. Exhale, bending forward, elbows on the mat in front of you, push your head down, forehead to the ground. Keep pulling the body forward, head down and pressing the right hip on the mat. Keep breathing as you stay there. And slowly inhale, come up and straighten both the legs in front of you. Relax the legs. Now we will do Gomukhasana. You can keep the belt if you can't reach the hands. Keep the belt with you. We will cross the right leg first, over the left leg, and then sit back. Right leg, right knee over the left knee, sit back. Then inhale, take the right hand over and behind your back. Left hand from underneath, behind your back. Hold your fingers together. Keep straightening your back and hold the chest open, back straight. Push the right elbow back, close your eyes. Keep breathing. Stay. Slowly release the hands. Inhale, left hand up. On the exhale, left elbow outside the right knee and twisting to your right side. Look behind you. Right shoulder moving back as much as possible. Stay there. And slowly inhale, come up, exhale, release. Straighten out both the legs. And we'll do the other side with the left leg on top. Sit back. Left knee should be right above the right knee. You can sit on a blanket or a block if your knees are not folding properly. Inhale, left hand up and left hand behind you. Exhale, right hand from underneath. Use the belt or get your fingers together. Pull the fingers. Pull the left elbow back. Straighten your back. Open the chest. Close your eyes and stay there. Keep straightening the back. And slowly release. Now inhale, stretch the right hand up. Right elbow outside the left knee. Twisting to your left side. Look over your left shoulder and hold. And slowly inhale, both hands up. Exhale, release. Staying right there, stretch the legs out, shake the legs out, relax the legs. We'll go for Navasana. Inhale, lift both the legs up. If you need to use a belt and hold, please feel free. Hands in front of you, back straight. Look at your toes in front of you. Try to lift the toes up to eye level and hold it. And slowly exhale, legs down, release. Bend your knees, hold your big toes. If you want again, you can use it with the belt around your feet. Keep breathing, stay there. You can take the belt around the feet and hold with the belt. Otherwise, just hold your big toes. Keep your back straight. Sitting on your sit bones. Inhale and stretch both the legs out to the side. Back straight, open the legs out. Keep your arms straight. Keep the neck straight, chin slightly down. Pull your stomach in and hold it. Observe the abdomen as you breathe. Shoulders down and relaxed. Keep breathing as you stay there. Legs are open wide in a V shape in front of you, and you're going to hold it. Deep inhale, and as you exhale, bend your knees and release. Stretch the legs out in front of you, shake the legs out. Use the belt again. Feet together, hands up, inhale. On the exhale, keep your chin forward, back straight. Take the belt around your feet, hold near the feet. Bend your elbows to the ground, Paschimottanasana. Forehead to your shin, toes in, push your head forward and stay there. Keep trying to drop your chest on your thighs. Don't tuck your chin in. Chin will stay open and forward. And slowly release the belt. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, release. Shake the legs out. Point and flex the feet. Rotate the feet sideways, one side clockwise, anti-clockwise. Bend one knee, hold it in close to you. Back straight, inhale. Slowly exhale. Other side, bend the knee. Inhale, straighten the back. Slowly exhale, release. And then sitting for pranayama. You can use your blanket, four-fold. Sit on the blanket, back straight, eyes gently closed, hands in Namaskara Mudra. Pranasedam vashe sarvam tritiveya pratishtitam mateva पुत्रान् रक्षस्व श्रीक्ष प्रज्ञाक्ष विदेहिन इति. Chin mudra, eyes closed, back straight. Start with 3 Om chants. Inhale. Continue on your own, 2 more rounds. Inhale.